choose one of us to make cookies with.
Hey, little chef. You help me make some more delicious word cookies. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Let's get started. Put this. P-N. Boy, let's see what you got. Pen. That's it. It's working.